Hey guys, what's up? Vlogmas day, whatever. Today I'm going to get my hair styled and my makeup done for an event tonight. It's just actually just for fun. Well, I'm gonna go to an event, but like we're just doing it for fun for Vlogmas. I'm going to Studio K today, which is my friend Laura's salon. Oh my gosh, parking was so crazy. Oh, I'm always getting off at the wrong floor. That was the first floor, now I'm gonna press L1. I don't even know, because you know like parking structures in like different buildings, sometimes like first floor doesn't actually mean first floor, like lobby does, you know? So yeah, going to the salon. I'll see you guys in there. Oh yeah, and this morning I did yoga and then I showered and I came straight here. Wow, I didn't even know she had a hair care collection.
Are you vlogging?
Oh yeah! Oh my god, that's her! Look at you! Oh my god, I need that sweater. Good, how are you? Getting my hair washed, my favorite part. Oh, it feels so good. This is like an ugly angle. Hair is wet, about to get styled. You guys will see it. It gets really, really cute. Alright guys, I just got my hair waved by Laura, and today, now, we're gonna do my makeup. That's why I have nothing on. Eileen is gonna do my makeup. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I really love my makeup. I'm like not wearing anything and I feel naked, so I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like later. Okay, we are like halfway done. Just did the eyes, the face. You guys, finally I have my face on. I got my makeup done by Eileen. Oh my gosh, her makeup is like still so perfect.
Thank you.
Just got all my glam done, hair and makeup, ready to go to the party.
Ooh, be ready.
Laura, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I am ready. I need to get out of this turtleneck and wear a dress. Yeah, sexy dress. But oh my gosh, I love my glam, full beads. And my hair is waves just like how I love them. Thank you guys. This is Studio K. You guys have to check it out. I'll link it below and then I'll put the address right here. There's two actually, right?
We're in the Glam.
Gosh, you are such a boss. There's two. This is the one in Glendale. Alright guys. Alright guys, I just got home from a really fun event and a party. I just cleaned my skin with Kylie Skin actually, and I actually recorded it in my iPhone. And tomorrow I have another fun-filled day, so I will put that also in my Vlogmas together. So it'll be like 2 days stuck together because I'm gonna have 2 really fun days. Actually, I'm gonna have 3 really fun days because Friday I have a fun-filled day too. So maybe I'll put them all together, maybe I won't. Maybe I'll just do 2 and then 2, or like 2 and like a few. Okay guys, I just got back from the Jessica Rich collection holiday party. Jessica Rich is my friend and a shoe designer that I actually designed shoes for, or with, my collab shoe in January. So I actually wore this dress to the party. My place is right now like such a mess because I was unboxing and I have videos to film, so it is crazy. But this is the really, really cute black dress I wore to the party. I just got back. I didn't vlog there because right when I got there I was actually like a little bit late. I was like finding my seat, taking pictures, talking and socializing, that I didn't really get a vlog there, but it was so much fun and it was so amazing. I had the best time. I love supporting my friends and being with my friends. Oh my gosh, those are my backdrops for one of the photo shoots and videos I'm gonna be doing. But yeah, it was so amazing. I love holiday parties, and I got to see my friends and chat with them and reunite and connect. So I didn't really get a vlog. Still have my waves from yesterday. And yeah, I'm gonna take all this makeup off and I'm gonna go to bed. But it was so much fun. I loved it. And sorry I didn't get a vlog, but you know, sometimes we just can't vlog every moment. You know what I mean? So I am back and I'm ready to go to bed. Good night. Mwah.